Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and you are watching Tech Car. So guys, this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook login error and unaccepted error record. Please try again and again on your iPhone, iPad and Android phone. So let's get started video without wasting any time. First of all, open settings on your iPhone. So guys, you have tap on Wi-Fi network. So as can see here is new appear on screen. So just you have tap on a Wi-Fi icon, tap it. So then you have tap on forget this network and forget your device. So tap it and again join Wi-Fi network. So back home screen, again open settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap here journal. So scroll down, then you have tap on date time. So if you have set automatic date and time toggles turn off, so please toggles turn on and back. Scroll down, so you have tap on transfer reset iPhone and tap on reset. So then you have tap on reset network settings, just tap it. So enter your iPhone passcode and back, and then reset and back and shut down few seconds. Back, tap your iPhone passcode. So back home screen, open App Store app. So firstly tap your profile icon. So if you have errors asking updating, so please first of all update Facebook app on App Store and back home screen, and delete your Facebook app and again install. So after open Facebook app, so why Facebook it's working here. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.